Well guys, I have a very exciting news sa inyo. May bago na ako. What's up everyone? Benji Geronimo here again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, bakit nga ba ako nagbibideo ngayon? Hindi ko rin alam. Well guys, I have a very exciting news sa inyo. May bago na ako. Tama ang narinig nyo dahil may bago na akong... Tanan! May bago na akong cellphone. Yes! Pero, bakit nga ba ako bumili ng bagong cellphone? That's the question. Gusto nyo ba talagang malaman? Well, ganito kasi yun. Noong nakaraang weekend ay bumisita kami sa bahay ng kaibigan namin and nag-dinner kami, kumain kami, tapos watch ng mga movies, tapos konting kwentuhan, kasiyahan, and then nagplano kaming pumunta sa beach. And then, nangyari. So, bago kami umalis, hindi ko matandaan kung dala ko ba yung cellphone sa backpack ko or naiwan yung cellphone sa bahay ng friend namin. Well, unfortunately, nung tapos na kaming mag-beach, chinek ko yung gamit ko, chinek ko yung bag ko. Well, sadly, the phone is not there. So, the question is, saan ko ba talaga nawala yung cellphone? Sa bahay ba ng friend ko? O sa sasakyan? O sa beach? Hindi naman siguro. Kasi, hindi ko naman dinala yung cellphone sa beach. And, unfortunately, nawala na yung cellphone. Oh my god. Anyways, the old phone I have, it's an iPhone 6 Plus. And medyo may problema na rin naman yung battery nun. At saka medyo palyado na rin yung camera. Pero nagagamit pa rin naman. And yun yung ginagamit ko sa pag-i-edit ng mga vlogs, sa pag-take ng mga, photos. And, well, most of my activities nangyayari naman dun. Ginagamit ko yung cellphone doon. Pero, well, that's life. Nawala yung cellphone, but of course, meron namang magandang kapalit.
Wow!
So yesterday, I decided to purchase a new cellphone. Anyways, the iPhone 6 Plus is already 5 years already. So, I think it's okay. Pero, of course, hindi ko pa rin maiwasang tindihin yung pagkawala ng cellphone. But, of course, tanggap ko na naman yun. And meron na tayong bago. So, yesterday, I purchased a new iPhone 11. Yes. So, I bought it from the Mall of the Emirates yesterday. And actually, there are different options of iPhone. There's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. We have iPhone XR and a lot of options. But I still decided to get a new iPhone 11. Yes! Yeah, ganda, diba? And I chose color red because I'm hot. No, I just like the color red, and I never had a color red cellular phone or iPhone in my life. So this is my first time to have an iPhone 11, which is iOS 13 already. Yeah. So today, we are going to do unboxing! Yes, it's my first time also to do unboxing. So usually kapag bumibili ako ng mga gamit ko, hindi ko naman video or hindi ako nag-unboxing. Pero since I have time today,
wow!
let's do the iPhone 11 unboxing. So for today's video guys, I will do the unboxing of my newest baby, the iPhone 11. It's iOS 13 and I'm very excited to use this cell phone because I heard there are so many good features and it's very easy to use. So guys, come and join me as I will do the unboxing of the new iPhone 11. Okay. So, kanina sabi ko nga sa inyo ay bumili ako ng bagong iPhone 11 from the Mall of the Emirates. Hindi ko nababanggitin yung shop na pinagbilan ko. Hindi siya Apple though. But, they are the one of the official reseller of iPhone phones. So, bumili ako kahapon and the cost instead of 3,195 dirhams for 128 GB iPhone 11, I only paid 2,899 dirhams. Yay! Medyo nakamura tayo doon. I also received a wireless charger na kasama ng cellphone na binili ko. Kasi nagtanong din ako sa Apple Store dun sa Mall of the Emirates and they don't have additional freebies. But they also told me that when I buy cell phone from that particular shop in Mall of the Emirates, sabi nila okay rin naman kasi sila yung one of the official reseller ng iPhone. So ito na nga guys, I'm very excited to do the unboxing of my newest baby. So I chose red. Bakit nga ba? Hindi ko rin alam. Pero medyo attractive kasi sa akin yung kulay na pula. And never pa ako nagkaroon ng pulang cellphone in my life. So this is my first time and I'm very excited to open this phone. So, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So guys, ito na nga yung packaging niya. Well, it's very common box of an iPhone. Of course, it's a little bit hard case din naman para syempre maprotektahan ang cellphone na medyo may kamahalan. Well, so when you open this, there is, I don't know, maybe this is a manual. I think this is designed by Apple in California. Yan. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Yan. So, I guess this is the product manual. So, kulay pula din siya. Well, and they have this one. And I don't know this. What is this? Oh, this is the manual. So, dito sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mga features ng iPhone 11. And I'm not sure if there's FaceTime for this particular cell phone. Let's find out later. And the good thing with this iPhone 11 is the Face ID feature. Yun yung pinakagusto ko doon. Parang not all the phones that we have right now, wala naman silang Face ID. But this particular phone, the iPhone 11, has this kind of feature na hindi mo na kailangang i-dial yung password ng phone mo. Kundi itatapat mo lang yung mukha mo and then that's it. Magbubukas na yung phone mo pwede mo na siyang magamit. But you have to what do you call this? Register first your face and then after nun, pwede mo na siyang magamit. Okay? And yan. So meron din silang Apple sticker. Yes. I don't know if I will use that one, but I don't think I will use that one, but I will keep it na lang. And yeah, so yun yung una nating nakita. So the Apple iPhone 11 manuals. Very nice. Okay, at least malalaman natin kung ano yung mga features ng product na to and so on. Okay, so after that, of course, meron tayong di pwedeng mawala ang charger and ang cable charger at ang adapter. So this is original. So kasi merong mga may mga charger na maaaring makasira agad ng battery ng cellphone mo. So, always use the original charger para tumagal ang buhay ng ating iPhone. So, that's it. So, we have these two. Yan, kitang-kita nyo na. And then, of course, meron din siyang kasamang headset. Okay? Okay, hindi nga lang siya, AirPod, tulad ng mga uso ngayon. Pero ito kasi may cable siya. So, hindi ko na bubulat-bulat-latin at alam ko na ang itsura niya. Yan. So, ito yung headset na kasama rin dito sa binili kong cellphone. And now, of course, ito na yung cellphone natin. Yan. Naku. Nakita wow! Ito na yung bagong phone, baby. Ayan. Color red siya. Ang ganda ng kulay talaga. I really like red talaga. And ang pinagkaiba niya sa ibang cellphone, kung makikita nyo, dalawa yung camera lens niya. And you know what? Yesterday, I really asked the seller kung pwede ba talaga sa tubig. So sabi nila, pwede daw up to 2 meters. So pag nag-swimming tayo, itatry natin ang cellphone na to kung hindi ba ito masisira kapag iniligay ko sa tubig. Well, titingnan natin, guys. So, yun yung cellphone ko. Ang iPhone 11. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa sa kanya. And, yan. Yan siya. So, ang power niya is ito. Sabi, pagsabayin daw itong nasa side at saka itong volume. So, pinagsabay ko na siya. Tingnan natin kung bubukas. Bubukas ka, bubukas. Yes. So, yan. Bubuksan na natin yung ating bagong cellphone na mainit-init pa. Kabibi ko lang kahapon. So, wait na muna natin siya, guys. And so yun na nga guys, natapos ko nang i-set up yung cellphone. So hindi ko na siya binidyo isa-isa kasi medyo matatagalan tayo kapag binidyo ko pa lahat nung pagsiset up ng cellphone na ito. And na-set up ko na rin yung Face ID. Tingnan natin kung gagana yung Face ID. I hope kumana. Paano ba? Wait. Tanan! Ito na siya. Bago kong cellphone. Ayan. So, andito na nga yung mga features niya. And, ayan. Ganda-ganda niya. So, since may access naman ako dun sa iCloud ko, so, register ko na lang din yung iCloud ko dito. And, nakuha ko rin naman yung mga file or yung data o mga photos and iba pa din sa dati kong cellphone. So, ngayon, ito na siya. Ayan, ganda. So, hindi ko na iisa-isahin yung features ng iPhone 11. Punta na lang kayo sa Google and you will know kung ano yung mga special features ng iPhone 11. Pero, for me, from my side, I really like the Face ID. Of course, it's iOS 13 and very light lang din siya. And I like the size. It's not that big and it's not very small as well. Yun yung mga gusto kong features ng iPhone 11. And of course, I like the color. And aside from that, yung pwede mo siyang magamit sa water, up to 2 meters. Aside from that, I like also the camera lens. Yan, very posh. And ano pa ba? Maganda yung quality ng photos kapag nag-take ka ng pictures at saka ng videos. Compared to other phones, of course, the iPhone 11 is one of the nice phones that we have at this time. And I like it. I like it very much, and I think it's about time. It's really about time to buy a new phone. So sabi ko nga kanina, aside from the iPhone 11 na nabili ko kahapon, ay nakakuha rin ako ng free wireless charger. Yes. So, yan siya. Kita ba? Ayan. So, libre ko lang siyang nakuha from the shop na pinagbilhan ko ng iPhone 11. And yeah, so this is good also. And it's not very big, so I can put it in my bag and use it anytime kapag nasa office ako or ano. And aside from that, I also decided to put a lamination sa cellphone to avoid scratches also, and kapag nalaglag yung cellphone mo, hindi magka-crack yung screen ng pinaka-cellphone. So, I just decided it, and I paid 100 dirhams dun sa lamination nung aking screen. Yan. So, we have to protect our phone screen also kasi medyo mahal naman yung cellphone, so we have to take good care of that cellphone as well. And aside from that, I also decided to purchase a phone case, a cell phone case. Yan. So for 109 dirhams. So 109 dirhams ko siya nakuha, and it's a transparent silicone case. And yeah, ito siya. Ang kagandahan na to kasi kahit malaglag yung cellphone mo, paniguradong hindi agad mababasag. The thing is, hindi kasi ako nag-purchase ng Apple Care. So that's why I also decided to buy something that will protect my cell phone. Of course, ayoko rin namang masira agad yung cellphone. Medyo may kamahalan, of course, kapag nagpagawa ka ng cellphone. So I just decided to buy a silicone case and also the lamination in the screen. So yun siya. So yeah. So that's it guys for today's video. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. And you guys, kung meron kayong ipon and you have enough money or you have enough savings, it's also nice to have a good phone. Hindi naman porkit bumili ka ng cellphone, ibig sabihin na mayaman ka. So, it's also a good investment, and at the same time, you can also use this cell phone to communicate to your friends, and also, like, if you working, of course, you can have access with your email. And so guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.